Anandang Simrepong. Tamai Sub-Division Headquarter Leriba BSNL gi Mobile Tower Thao Longi Mathau Tokidabadagi Lamnamalungi Miyan Awal Kya Mayoknare. Meng Tabrib Singh Taramnok Subalo na Pausin no Pizre. Tamenong District ki Tamai Sub-Division Headquarter Leriba BSNL gi Mobile Tower Thao Humlom Mathau Tokidabadagi Lamnamalungi Miyan Awal Kya Mayoknare. Manipur Sarkar na thu matam na miyang Chandrabadi Liang Mai Student Union na Khong Sang Silagni Hari Hira Masita report ma.
Tamenglong District ki Subdivision ama oiba Tamai Headquarter asimaktada lairiba BSNL gi Tower ase tha ahungi mamang lagi yakhitabana maram orga mafam asida laiba miyam da mobile gi khudong chawa amadi internet ki khudong chawa phangduna lakli
May date 16 lagi network phangdaba haibisi ngasi yorodi tha om pura phare adu hozik phoba concern department BSNL ki company amasung state government na krisu thos habi daba haibisi khoyam ware khoi praja sing je haibisi asi communication hozik kan si internet gi matam da even basic need mobile connectivity su phanghan bi daba haibisi yel ikai ni ngai ni hena khale khoi government of Manipur ngon so du haininge mram aduna athuba matam da asi si sembi dradi khoi student kambu singna agitation asi mathang oina chathagani adugi responsibility si government asu logni haibisi government ngon so haininge
I say akoi local paper mukuilong di aina Liang Mai newspaper gi proprietor oirame tha ahum hena network phangdre aduna akoi su thabak makhata na mukka pangthokningai se source network gi source news gi source atai digi lowe yadrni na akoi paper se pothara lai
Ako'y mama mapa oiriba lamdam sida yam nawakre aduga icha mayam si Bombay Delhi Imphal mafam ayam badalay adu makoy naye khole nungai haiba amata pau phaunadre mayam se wa basi hai nangai leitaduna awa batheng na rega lere aduna Manipur government na nongsi biduna lamdam sigi network se athu bada semgat pinaba hodna bio
Subdivision amagi headquarters oiba Tamai Kaithel asidadi network phangdabana maram orga lamdam asigi miyamna I pau phawdok phajingi network thinabagdamakta network phangma mafam thidna lairiba asina matau karamna digital India habito mai pakadribano haidana Tamai gi miyamna hangnarakli ISTV pawdamakta pawdamdriba ningthakam chana jawa mitai Tamai Kaithen ISTV news
State levels sensitization works off on agripreneurs of developments for increasing farm incomes of and promotions of agribusiness in Manipur. Haibsida state level sensitization workshop Lampelpata Leba ICR campus Pangtokre ICR resource complex for Northeast region Manipur Central Sinuna Pangtokiba Tormaduda Central Agricultural University VC Professor M. Premjit Nawar Manipur General Manager PN Pravin Kumar Amadi ICAR resource complex for NEA's regions Meghalaya Director Dr. Narendra Prakash ICAR Joint Director Dr. I Megasandra Amadi Principal Scientist Dr. Z. Kadivalna Marabimi Sunasubaki CBS Okiba Central Agricultural University BC Professor M. Premjit na Lomi Kyagi Central Lambi Hana Lehana Naba Sarkar Sina Bakalib Scheme Singasi Mai Panum Totai Lomi Sina Training Program Kyagi Kanabasulubu Haike.
So by saying all these factors, quality seeds of rice, it is not possible by the government. It is not possible by the Department of Agriculture. It is our responsibility in convergence mode. Either it may be iShare, university, then even farmers producers company. That is on seed production, participatory seed production programs we have done, because along with Dr. I.M. Singh, I have also done. We also produced iShare variety, we also produce our university variety, either every year even 60 hectares, 70 hectares. So we signed a MOU with these farmers organizations, because we have to produce in their field only under the supervision of our scientists.
Cycle Police Station Manung Senba Eco Bazar dagi Memi Hatpada Senabini Haba Katriga Makalakai digi Yumkhaibam Rohit Sahi Kumapan Apopole Kidraba MD Riazuddin gi Mayum Ngase Miyamna Amangata Tonkre Yum Tugari have a pop tabagi police lakto Miyamadu control Toki Todo Simatan Katriga Part 2 Gram Panchat ki Pradhan Abdul Kudus na Fongdropada Asigma Todo Simatunda Amuhana Toktanaba Maraleba Muay Sibu Serak Pigadamani Haike Katriga Awang Lake Women's Development Association President Karena Pongdropada Police na Mahapu Mayumdagi Paba Lapada Nubi Hatpagini Haiba Hana Kalam Batarabadi Mahapu Sibu Serak Pirambayabani Haike
Penjadabadi Mihat Pamise, Akoina Man, Smainta, we have the Kongan Kansa, the police take Mulhogabani, Maya Pabi, like I organization like Maya Pabi Amana Penjadi Mase, Adana Mase Hatopi, the Makako Tawayana, Nasi Kavareto, but they come with the Yakuton Doctor Pani.
Agas Policy Committee Government of Manipuri Thoksil Makada Business Excellence Group Manipur Sinduna Myanmar Amadi India Leba Ani Maruena Manipur State ki Ladiba Entrepreneurs Singa Myanmar ki Entrepreneurs Singa Marakta Madokram na Business Sakol Hangita ki having Matang the Nomigoba Kanane Bama Shandrada Leba Hotel Classic the Pantokre Kanane Batu the Agas Policy Committee ki convener RK Sivasindra Myanmar ki second reason ki Hani ki Secretary Matt Awa Map Company ki Executive Director Nance San Xiowin Yauna Myanmar ki Mukia Susugaki Agas Policy Committee ki convener RK Sivasendra Lenga Siki Pandamde Indonesia Singapore Gumna Manipur Su Factory Masing Yamna Liba Businessman Kagi Lantungpam Uhen Bani Haike
Border hang matung dengan si koina locally ba meeting ke around pami sidagi yang kana ba mayam phangne sei thaje government ki side gi ek is policy gi makhada border hang ga su taseng field business tau dei di mayam sini Myanmar dagi support pusalak ba khoirom dagi su chat khiba duga koina London phamoi ba adungba commercial hub amoi ba se koi gi dream do I think madu mangphauna ga ni na sikrang ai message bijak
Business Excellence Group की Vice President Uriba Advanced Hospital की Managing Director Dr. Ibom Samdi Secretary Hero Thoksom na Phongdropada Wakalol Manaba Entrepreneur Samrom na Punsinu Samba Group Hasina Manipur Act Policy Lakadoriba Sigidamukta Tuan Business ki lamda Manipur Sokat Nanaba Honabani Haiki Myanmar di Manipur ki Ladiba Entrepreneur Singya Punba WhatsApp Group ama Siamlaga Tabak Paikat Naba Honagadori Haina Phongdroli
Agi Ladiba Entrepreneur Kanguga Hoi Manipur Ladiba Entrepreneur Kanguga Hoi Puna WhatsApp group ama Siamaga Maduda Hoigi Ada Agi Chokon Tangi Hoigi Ladiba Ada Thenariba Hoigi problem sing the Tawuda Batawak Singdu Hoitanaminaba Puna Amana Hoi Ma step Ani Kaksi and the Kilaiba Kudung Chavachi Hunshan Logjagan Kanjari Tawal District Congress Committee की term अहम लग President ओबिता नतना District Congress Committee सेवादल की Founder President औरंबा तवाल बाजार दगे समझे सबम अच्छो ngrak masagi anab amadagi lekhidre soge haksa ngase party lusimba kya nasar ugaduna Tawal District Congress Committee की Tawal atopam dale office the produktuna lekhidre bahum daikai kono utkre Tamud hanagi Chief Minister kum ebobi khangabo kendru ki MLA o Suraj Kumar Tawal District Congress Committee की President Lukhoi TMC की Chairperson TS Shamu Yongna Lusuma kya nasar ugaki Rame Bobina, Lakidaba, Asona party, the Mata Toromba Tabak Torom Sing Sintaki, Mar Lakidaba, Party, so among the women Hake.
Lakidaba Satkibada, Tahoriba, Mohi, Manungi, Taimaki, Sasingi, Aduga, Imono Pising Karikari, Manungi, Awa Badusu, I Sharu Yazari, Aduga Lakidaba, Leader Asigi, Tawai Haksang, Atamasi, Ishona, Sargada Yamna, Ing, Signa, Tambiva, Woresuno. Ayushman Bharat National Health Mission Makala Tawal District ki Wangzing Tenta Kendru ki Manung Senba Tenta Lang Health Amusung Khongjong da Ngarang Wangzing Kendru ki MLA P Brozena Health and
wellness center amamam hangdokre. District Health Society Thawal Sinuna Khongjom Primary Health Center pangtokiba tharmoda Tenta Jila President member KS Manisang Devi P Syama Devi Pradhan Iboyama L Brozesor Singba Myokyana Suraki Langatel the pangtokiba tharomda Thawal DC Hawam Rosita Chief Medical Officer and Zentikumar Yona Official Kyana Suraki MLA P Brozena Mipum Kurimapu Masamu Fana Tono Pandamda Prime Minister Narendra Modi Gimi and Makada Ayushman Bharat Pakalakimani Haki. Pau Martanatima Bematang Omenase.
Hakchangi labor solak padagi producing aktaba hakchang choktarba tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hama nungayaktaba singkidamat amatta ngaraba upaidi jolip syrup amasung jolip capsule bu changmini sinabiyo.
Enjoy the tastiest bread in town, manufactured with the highest quality in the most hygienic bakery in Manipur. White bread from Likla Bakery, now Manipur's favorite bakery.
Bekimatung Taranong Sri Makata Boxing, Vegetable District Manung Senba, Tinung Edeleba, Yuko Bangasi, Amatamda Tong Loan Mana Bangasi, customers sing the sound Kudong Sada Mount Ray, Bangasi Sell Kaibam de Sell Tamzin Belak, Miamda, Bangasi Tong Loan Muna Labina, Muya Kwashon Hale, Narang Sunumi, Momatumpunga Mata, Drungeda, May Mutkre, Haina, Bang Tong Loan Silaga Stops and Set Hibiki, Bang to Lak, Muya and a pen of Fontroli. Marilena was in a two of them there being sung behind the Muam of Fontroli.
Karigumba being asina koi mai helaktre natrana ling yadre khotre hayna being as a thong roll ga chaliba ngasi sipung ka thong ngasi sipung ama makai dai di thong roll aduna masi mamang du aina tarik ki khangre aduga taseng badi anirak ahumlak marirak kum sure asmaina lon se aduna laiba aikoina authority da khangan janing se asigumba aikoi praja gi damakta yamna kanaraba sigumba beng ama aikoi gi lamdam sidaida aikoi gi hangbiraga aikoi gi kanoda ukul gi makul mafam hunjan mafam de school ka ba employees singna ngana kaning bukan ka ba kaning da kan da tokba dumaina lawai ni khaleraga beng ase moina hangi kan hang ba hangi da kan hang da ba mase koi praja gi damakta khudong sa de kya lere sina koina khangan janing base asi matam chana thong hangbiraga praja da khudong cha ba jati
Thasi tang mapal di Taranipal Fawa Bhutan ke konung team food pang thokiba Girls Football Championship lising ni Taranipal da India football team da captain Oikibi Silky Hemambu okwi tormama ngarang moirang konjengmam leka da leba konjengmam leka Youth Welfare Association amasung makimu munung sinuna harau tem okwi tormam pang thokre ma pokwi tormam da moirang municipal council ki ward number 2 ki councillor Hemam Ongbi Roma Balana lupali sing tara hani ki MLA MP Tripras na lupali sing ani Financial Solvings Group na memento gelo na lupali Singani Musung K Muhindro na Lupali Sing Amapitan Puning Tawaki Luna Tuan Tuan ba organization sing Magedi Kisu Angamba Kudol Posu PK Tarmaduda Amofagi Course PAs Surendra KLYA President K Shuran Kumar Yong Namyokiana Suraki Silky Hemamna Makatana Mana Manipuramadi India ge Mai Purna Bakona Kigini Masidemiam Namating Pangbu Haiki
Nupasindagi aina hen yana khanki ado amarumda famamna ai manabasing ai nupi tinade aduga nupa ngata tinay ado nupasinduna su aingonda su support bibi phajana sanau kholu haina adagi aina dak India game gi chapada su wispira I under 15 staff women championship ta sanazuru badu aina captain paijay ado wangang da katang haitaba khotabnina ai Manipuri course oina assistance course oina pubiriba Miss Bembem na su ai bu support yam bibi
Lasalak to mo pa mo kana pizre Damai sub division headquarter leriba BSNL ge mobile tower tha umlo mathong to kidabadagi lamdam matong miyam na awab kya mar pare Because if I would ask the people, Manipuri Palmatang Stojre, in Tabu Punu Pomukana,